Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, this is the third part from the exercise 4.2. For the previous two part, please check the description box, the link will be there. And in this video, I am going to start from sum number 21. So here in sum number 21, 7 to the power 2n, so write down here 7 to the power 2n, then plus 2 to the power 3n minus 3, and then into 3 to the power n minus 1 is divisible by 25. Okay, is divisible by 25 for all n belongs to n. So first let Pn equal to this one is divisible by 25. Okay, now for P1 that equal to 7 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 3 minus 3, that means 0, and then 3 to the power 1 minus 1, that equal to also 0. So 2 to the power 0 equal to 1, 3 to the power 0 equal to 1, that means here 49 plus 1, that equal to 50, and which is definitely divisible by 25. So you can write down here P1 is true. So as P1 is true, so let Pm be true. So if Pm be true, then for Pm it will be 7 to the power 2m plus 3 to the power, sorry, it's 2 to the power 3m minus 3 into 3 to the power m minus 1. It's also divisible by 25. That means you can write down this one as 25k. You can write down this one as 25k. So from that one, 7 to the power 2m equal to 25k minus 2 to the power 3m minus 3 into 3 to the power m minus 1. So that is here equation number 1. Now you have to show that this one also true. This one also true for Pm plus 1. So Pm plus 1 means 7 to the power 2m plus 2, because in place of m you can put down here m plus 1. So it will be 2 to the power, now 3 into, remember that 2 to the power 3 into m plus 1. So it will be 3m plus 3, then 3 cancel out, it will be only 3m. Okay, so as here 3m plus 3 minus 3, so that 3 will be cancel out, so you have only m. So 2 to the power 3m into next one 3 to the power in place of m, so m plus 1 minus 1, so 1 cancel out, it will be 3 to the power m only. Okay, I hope no problem. So now you can write down this one 7 to the power 2m into 7 square, that means 49. So 49 into 7 to the power 2m, and here 2 to the power 3m into 3 to the power m. Okay, so now in place of 7 to the power 2m put down 25k minus 2 to the power 3m minus 3, 3 to the power m plus 1 from equation number 1, and here 2 to the power 3m into 3 to the power m. Okay, so now 49 into 25k, then here 2 to the power 3m minus 3, then 3 to the power m minus here 1. Okay, so that one also 1, not the positive, it's the negative, it's negative 1. Okay, so now here if you common 2 to the power 3m minus 3 and 3 to the power m minus 1, then you will get here 49 from the first portion, and from the next portion it will be 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1. So it will be here 49 into 25k minus 2 to the power 3m minus 3, 3 to the power m minus 1, and here 49 minus 8 into 3, that means what, 24. So 49 minus 24 it equal to also 25. So if you common 25 from that one, you will get here 49k minus 2 to the power 3m minus 3 into 3 to the power m minus 1, and is definitely divisible by 25. So if this one divisible by 25, then you can write down that imply Pm plus 1 is true. So as Pm plus 1 is true, that means Pn is true for all n belongs to n. So it's proved. Now next one, sum number 22. In sum number 22, 7 to the power n minus 3 to the power n is divisible by 4. So for n, that one is divisible by 4. So for P1, that equal to 7 minus 3, that equal to 4, which is also divisible by 4. So P1 is true. Now let Pm, that equal to 7 to the power m minus 3 to the power m is divisible by 4. So you can write down this one as 4k. So from that one, 7 to the power m equal to 4k plus 3 to the power m. Put it equation number 1. Now you have to prove that for Pm plus 1. So it will be here 7 to the power m plus 1 minus 3 to the power m plus 1. So that one will be 7 into 7 to the power m, then here 3 into 3 to the power m. So in place of 7 to the power m, put down 4k plus 3 to the power m, then 3 into 3 to the power m. So that one equal to 7 into 4k, then plus 7 into 3 to the power m, then 3 into 3 to the power m. So that one equal to write down 7 into 4k, and then if 3 to the power m common, it becomes 7 minus 3. So that equal to 7 into 4k, and then 3 to the power m into 4. So if 4 will be common, it becomes 7k plus 3 to the power m, and which is definitely divisible by 4. That means that imply you can write down Pm plus 1 is true. So if Pm plus 1 is true, you know that, then Pn is also true. Now sum number 23. In sum number 23, let Pn equal to 4 to the power n plus 15n minus 1, which is divisible by 9. Then for P1, it will be 4 plus 15 minus 1. Then if 19, so 19 minus 1, it's 18. So 18 definitely divisible by 9. That means P1 is true. Now let here for Pm be true. So that will be 4 to the power m plus 15m minus 1. Okay, and that equal to, you can write down 9k. So from that one, 4 to the power m equal to 9k minus 15m plus 1. Okay, now you have to prove that for Pm plus 1. So it will be here 4 to the power m plus 1, then 15 into m plus 1, then minus 15, sorry, minus 1. Okay, so now as here 4 to the power m plus 1 means 4 to the power m into 4. Okay, and here 15m plus 15 minus 1. So in place of 4 to the power m, put down 9k minus 15m plus 1, and here 15m plus 14. So it will be here 4 into 9k, then minus here 60m plus 4, then 15m plus 14. So here 4 into 9k, and that one here 14 plus 4, it's 18, and 60 minus that one will be 45m. Okay, 45m. Now here from that one, you can write down this one. If you common 9, okay, if you common 9, it becomes here 4k, then plus 2, and last one here 5m. So 4k plus 2 minus 5n multiply with 9, that means it's definitely divisible by 9. So that imply you can write down Pm plus 1 is true. So if Pn plus 1 is true, then Pn is true for n belongs to n. Now next one, sum number 24. So here in sum number 24, 3 to the power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9. It's a multiple of 64. Okay, it's a multiple of 64. So write down here Pn, and it's a multiple of 64. Then for P1, that equal to 3 to the power 2 plus 2, then minus 8 minus 9. So 3 to the power 2 plus 2 means 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 means 81 minus 17. That equal to what? That equal to 64. And definitely 64 is a multiple of 64. That means P1 is true. Now let Pm be true. So that equal to 3 to the power 2m plus 2 minus 8m minus 9. It's a multiple of 64. So if this one is a multiple of 64, that one equal to, you can write down 64k. So from that one you can easily write down 3 to the power 2m plus 2, that equal to 64k plus 8m plus 9, and that is equation number 1. Now you have to prove that one for Pm plus 1. So for Pm plus 1 it will be 3 to the power 2m plus 2 plus 2. Okay, and then here 8m plus 1, then minus 9. So it will be here 3 to the power 2m plus 2 and then 3 to the power 2 minus 8m minus 8 minus 9. So in place of 3 to the power 2m plus 2, from equation number 1, 64k 8m plus 9 into 9, and here 8m then minus 17. Okay, it's very easy. So now you have here 64k into 9, 64k into 9, then here 72m, 81 minus 8m minus 17. So here 64k into 9, as here 72m. Okay, 72m minus 8m, it becomes 64m, and 81 minus 17, that equal to also 64. So now if you common 64, you will get here 9k plus m plus 1, and which is definitely a multiple of 64. Okay, which is definitely a multiple of 64. That imply you can write down Pm plus 1, it's true. Now the next one, sum number 25. So here sum number 25, that is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here Pn will be n into n plus 1 then into n plus 5 is a multiple of 3. Okay, is a multiple of 3. So that means for Pn it will be 1 into 1 plus 1 then 1 plus 5. So here 5 plus 1, 6, 6 into 2, that equal to 12. So 12 definitely a multiple of 3. So that means P1 is true. Then let Pm is a multiple of 3. So here m into m plus 1 then m into m plus 5. Okay, m into m plus 1 into m plus 5 is a multiple of 3. So you can write down this one as 3k. Okay, you can write down this one as 3k. Now for Pm plus 1, it will be m plus 1, then the next one will be m plus 2, and the next one will be m plus 6. How? Because in place of m plus 1, if you put down m plus 1, so it will be m plus 1 plus 1, it becomes m plus 2, m plus 1 plus 5, it becomes m plus 6. So as here m plus 1 into m plus 2 into m plus 6. So write down here m plus 1, then multiply second one, it's m square, then 8m and then 12. Okay, m square plus 8m plus 12. Now if you multiply this one, so m into m square plus 8m plus 12, and then again it will be multiply with 1, so m square plus 8m plus 12. Now here you have m into m plus 1 into m plus 5, that equal to 3k. So from that one you can write down m into m square plus 6m plus 5, that equal to 3k. Okay, then here m cube plus 6m square plus 5m that equal to 3k. So now as here m cube plus 8m square plus 12m plus m square plus 8m plus 12. So from that m cube, then 8m square, it will be 9m square, then here 20m plus 12. Okay, 20m plus 12. So if you want to write down here m cube and then here 6m square plus 5m, then as here 9m square, so you can write down here 3m square, and that one will be 15m plus 12. So first one will be, from that one you can put down directly 3k. So 3k plus 3m square plus 15m plus 12. Now from that one you can easily common 3. So it will be here k plus m square plus 5m plus 4, and that is definitely a multiple of 3. Okay, so that means here pm plus 1, it's true.